What's up, everybody? I'm back. It's Nick the Piker, and today we're going to be fishing one of my favorite fishing spots. It is Des Plaines River, up kind of by where I live. I haven't fished here in a couple years. They tore out all the dams, so everything's different now. So I'm hoping there's still pike here. Maybe I can grab one. Stick with us. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment to my YouTube channel. Let's get it. All right. So I'm hoping there's still pike up here. I haven't caught one here in a long time. I have caught bass, so I know the bass are starting to populate this stretch of river. I'm just hoping that this deep section, this stretch I'm fishing is kind of deeper. I'm hoping there's still pike here because I love fishing here. It's a beautiful place, as you can see. Water doesn't look too dirty. It's low. Hasn't rained in a while. I can see some bait fish, so let's see what happens. I'm gonna try for pike first and then throw around my bass lures, see if there's bass here as well. Water level is real low, which makes it fun because fish are more condensed. I'd love to see a nice big pike just clopping my lure and make my day. That's what dreams are made of. I'm using a spinner type bait with a perched looking soft plastic on it with a leader in case I catch a pike. Shout out to my Uncle Steve. This is his custom made lure that he gave me. See if it stands the test of time on the river. It should work well because it's kind of snagless here with the way it's set up. So let's give it a shot. They should like this. Something just nibbled. A little bluegill. It's like right where it was. Oh, my lure's fouled up. I fixed it. Oh, it's a pike. Oh no. Not good. 6-pound test, but it's a pike. Amazing. Nick the Piker finally catches a pike on video. Can he land him though? That's the question. It's just a little guy, but it gives me hope. It gives me hope. It's a pike. All right, Nick the Piker catches a pike finally. It's gonna break my line. That was awesome though. I saw him bite it. It's like a 22-incher. Not bad. Not bad at all. Look at that. Yeah, maybe a little longer. It looks like a 24-incher actually. There we go. Fish number one. Let's get it. Nick the Piker catches his first pike on the river in quite some time. He's cold too, which means the water's cool enough where they're going to be biting today. But I caught him on my bass rod. Let's get another angle of it so you can kind of see. Yeah, buddy. Pike number one, Des Plaines River. Let's get it. Hee-hee. Get a safe, clean release on him. Oh, he's ready. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Gotta fix that. Gotta fix that. Gotta fix that. Oh, get your head out of this mud, dude. There you go. Swim off. Yeah, buddy. There he goes. He's good. Yes. Amazing. Finally catch a pike. What dreams are made of. On my bass rod. It's random. Wonder if this lure is too big. Need to downsize. I knew he was swiping at it, but he just wasn't getting hooked. Wonder if I need to change this. Change this up. I think I'm going to. Just so that I don't face carnage on my bass rod there. Seems to be what's working today. Yeah, there's a couple in there. Unless it was see if there's another one sitting in there. Is there a bass hanging out there? Oh, there's a little fish there. Is that a tiny pike? Look, I'm good at catching 3-pounders. I don't feel like doing this. Oh, don't mind me. No, I'm not fishing. Fishing for sticks. That's what I'm doing. Stick fish. Nothing like a stick fish. Popular in these parts are the stick fish. There's also one, camera all weirded. There's also one called a snagfish. Catch a lot of those here. A lot of snagfish. Oh, falling branches, see? They're everywhere. There's a nice bass right in front of me. That time I got him. Yeah, buddy. I saw him. That was awesome. That's a decent sized bass too. It's a decent sized bass. No kidding. This is awesome. I think this might be my Des Plaines River PB bass right here. Am I gonna get him up? Yeah, buddy. Whew. Look at that fatso. He gobbled it. That's a nice bass. I'd say that's 2 pounds at least. Nick the Piker catches another one. Another bass. That's a nice bass. Des Plaines River. That's definitely the biggest bass I've ever caught in Des Plaines River. Unreal. That's the guy I saw dart out in the beginning. Can't be unhappy about that. Woohoo! Get a pic with my phone real quick. I'm gonna release her. That's awesome. She swims away. Hello? But at least there's fish here. It's not totally dead. Oh, I feel something nibbling. Something's swatting at it. Bluegills, maybe? Yeah. But bluegills are a good sign. That means there's bigger fish here, too. I believe there's got to be more bass here if that one was here. Oh, there's a nice one right there. Who's following my lure? He's still looking at it. He's looking at it. It's not as big as the other one, but it's a bass, and he's looking right at my lure. I see him. Oh, here he goes. He's looking. He's swimming out to it. I'm gonna catch him. Just watch. There it is. It's crazy. I watched it all happen. It's a decent one too. Not as big as that other one, but darn close. Unreal, man. Man, he's battling. Unbelievable. Yeah, buddy. There's another one. Almost identical size. A little smaller than the last one. He just tore it up. Yeah, buddy. Can't complain about that. Unreal. Nick the Basser, I guess. Strikes again. Nick the Piker. I wonder how many bass are sitting in this little pocket here. Wow. Should be something by this brush pile. Oh, and there is. There's a bass. All right. Nice one. Man, he's battling. It's a decent size, another decent sized bass, man. This is crazy. Never thought this would be happening on this river. But look at that. I am just catching one after another decent bass. What the heck? I'll take it. This is nuts. It's about the same size as the last two. And a different color. Man, he wasn't getting away. I'll tell you that. Boom. What is that, fish number 4? Fish number 4, maybe? This turned out to be quite a day. This is what dreams are made of, people. Plains River largemouth. Weird. Well, not too weird. It's been a while for me, so this is what's happening now, I guess. Crazy. That was a nice fish. Huh. Insane. Insane. Oh, nice one. This spot is stacked up. What used to be pike have turned into bass, but hey, I'll take it. I like it. I'll do it. I was getting bites out this way too, but that one came off of that brush pile right there. This is a deeper spot, so it's like maybe they're oh, I just got thumped again. Decent size too, man. They're just destroying my lures, but whatever. That's what they're for. Oh. I stopped to fix my line and caught a fish and a tree. How is it? There's a fish on a tree right now. Oh, no. Unreal. Oh, broke them off. I don't know if I broke the lure off or the branch off, but I had a fish on there. Is he still on? Is the fish still on, or do I just have a stick? No, the fish is still on. What the heck? What a day here, folks. What? It's a smaller one, but still. I broke the stick. Oh, he's got a mouthful of mud. I'm gonna have to release this guy quickly because he got stuck in a tree. I was able to pull it free. I stopped. I just cast it and let it sit, and I stopped to fix my line. And here we are with another bass. Man. Fish number, what, 6? I guess? Crazy. Let him clean his mouth out. Well, I can't say there wasn't action here today. Jeez Louise. That was like 2 casts in a row? I think so. Ooh, there's a swirl right there. I felt something. Oh, did you see that? It jumped, and I hadn't even set the hook yet. And he jumped with it. That was pretty cool. The camera angle wasn't the greatest on that because I was squatting, but another one. Little guy. Seems like they're schooled up in this area, though. That was pretty cool. I set the hook when he was in the air. How often do you do that? Feisty little bugger. That's number 7 or 8. I've lost count at this point. Crazy. All right, I'm gonna try something different. I don't know how this is gonna go. We'll see. I feel like I'm gonna snag right away. I could be wrong. Hopefully. I got one. Okay, it worked. Tried something different and it worked. They're just biting on everything over here. Look at that. He ate it all right. Little guy, but a bass nonetheless. This little red ribbon worm, it worked. Take it. It's another lure that was given to me by my Uncle Steve. Thank you, Steve. It works. Appreciate it. See if I can catch more on it. Oh, I already got something biting at it. Oh, and I missed it. It's all right. It's biting again. Did he eat it yet? No. What a day today has been, huh? Adventure, nonetheless. Did not expect this. Move downstream, but I have a feeling I might catch something over here. Let's give it an effort. See what happens. Even though I've seen the two kayaker guys spending quite a bit of time here. It all depends on what lures you're using. You're not using stuff like what I'm using. One guy was throwing top water buzz bait. The other guy was throwing big spinner bait and a big swim bait. Nice one, Nick. See how I did that, folks? That's how you hit a treat. Oh, what an adventure today has been. I already lost count of how many fish I caught. I think I caught 8 or 9 and a pike. First pike on Des Plaines River in quite some time. 2 years maybe. First pike I ever caught on my GoPro camera. I'll try across this stuff here. Skeeter. The skeeters are coming out. Oh, I caught something. It's in the trees though. Oh. What happened? I had something. Maybe he'll come back for more. Yeah, baby. Another bass. You dizzy? Clobbered it. Another little guy. Looks well fed though. I knew I should have stopped over here and fished it harder than I did initially. Maybe there's a couple more. That's 9 or 10. 8, 9, 10. I don't know. Well, folks, this concludes my Des Plaines River fishing trip. Nick the Piker. Finally caught a pike on video. So, hey, it was good. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think. See you for the next video.